In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix notification problems on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, notification issues on Android are often linked to the new notification calling features or a known bug where follow-up alerts stay silent if the tray is full. Now, firstly, you want to fix the silent stacking bug. There's a known issue where the first notification makes a sound, but any following ones are muted if you haven't cleared them. So what you want to do is clear your notification shade regularly. And for a permanent fix, what you want to do is go over to your settings, scroll down until you find notifications, and then go over to advanced settings. Once you're here, look for notification cooldown or notification stacking and toggle it off if you see either of those things. And then what you want to go ahead and do after that is this will basically prevent the system from silencing rapid fire alerts from the same or different apps. Now, Samsung has hidden the individual sound settings for apps in the latest update, so if you can't change a specific app's sound, what you want to do is go back to your advanced settings while you're here, and then toggle on manage notification categories for each app. So it's going to be towards the bottom, make sure that it's toggled on. And then what you could also go ahead and do is check private space and focus restrictions. Make sure you're not in any like focus mode or anything like that, which is going to be located at the bottom. For example, I'm not on sleep mode. And also, of course, just make sure you're not on any do not disturb mode either, because that's how you're not going to be able to get any notifications too. Also, just try a quick restart, like a hard restart on your phone, and see if that works. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.